The earpads of the Nova Pro Wireless are not the same as the other Nova models. The Nova Others models' earpads can be easily removed, and the Nova Pro Wireless earpads need to be pried off. Use the edges of the tool instead of sharp corners, so that the tool is not easy to break. The focus is on position rather than force. It can be easily pried open if position is right. If it's hard to pry open in a certain position, move slowly and change positions. For both earpads, we offer two materials to choose from. Nova Pro Wireless earpads are different from other models, so don't get it wrong. The installation of earpads on the Nova Others model is also very easy. The back of this earpad is stretchy, and can be pulled into place. The earpads of the Nova Pro Wireless need to be properly positioned when installed. Then press down on each slot one by one, and you can hear the click.